Your mobile device is your access window to all kinds of information. You can check the security of your home for peace of mind while you're away, look up places to go in your favorite destination to make the most of your time, and securely monitor your bank accounts and even make payments, all from your mobile device. With this powerful tool, why do you still have to use a crash cart to access information about your IT hardware? Imagine if you could ditch the crash cart and access all the system information you need right from your mobile device. You don't have to imagine anymore. With the next generation of Dell servers, you can use the Open Manage mobile application on your NFC-enabled mobile device to tap and gain access to iDRAC Quick Sync. The application provides system identification to ensure you are working on the right product and all the critical information you need, such as health and even the product inventory. Just think of all the possibilities of this powerful tool in your data center. Now that you can directly push and pull information between your mobile device and the next generation of Dell servers, you can manage your data center more efficiently and effectively.